Today we make our own mini Christmas tree using Bambu Labs 3D printer. All we need to do is find the Christmas tree model in makewall.com and wait for it to print. After that, we prepare 3 jumper wheels and solder the jumper wheels to the light strip and the development board. Then we added the coal for the strip. After removing the supports from the model, we place the light strip in the Christmas tree and light the strip. Finally, let me see how it looks like. Merry Christmas to all!